Ano ang sabi? In 2026, choosing to buy a new car, whichever model it is, let alone an SUV, it's not easy. Hindi po siya madali. Kasi you want something that looks modern, saves fuel, syempre reliable, and gives you that peace of mind long after many years after buying it. Well, I think Ford might have delivered all of this in just one package. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2026 Ford Territory Hybrid. Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Today, papakita ko po sa inyo why this 5-seater hybrid SUV is fit for, I can say, modern drivers. Pag-usapan natin yung kanyang look, how it performs, what powers it, mga features na meron siya, and why this will be a very good daily driver for an SUV. Let's break it down in several segments. Siguro mga 7. Madami-dami na yun. Umpisa na natin. Modern and head-turning design. Well, yun kasi agad ang manonotice mo yung design niya. It is bold. Look at that front grille. Modern na modern. Stand out talaga. Alam mo na this is something that came out this year, 2026. Front, there's the wide, aggressive grille. Tuloy-tuloy po yan yung kapuan na yan. Very sleek ang headlights. LED po yan. Andiyan po yung striking light bar design. It is attractive right away. Sa front grille pa lang, attractive na siya. On the side, malinis. I like this hybrid badging right here. Very nice. I am the latest model. Parang yung kagad ang sinasabi niya. Large alloy wheels, ang ganda ng design. Look at that, parang may pagka-blade design. Andun yung strong, confident na tindig niya. At the back, yung taillight LED po yan, ang ganda. Gives you that premium futuristic look sa likod. For a 5-seater SUV, talagang ramdam mo na commanding presence. Malinis, modern, what can I say? It is a very well-designed hybrid SUV. Pagpasok mo dito sa loob, it just even gets better kasi ang linis. Tech-focused dashboard, look at that. Ang linis. Dito sa likod, ang ganda ng mga materials na ginamit. Alam mo na it is on a premium level. Yung upuan ang ganda. You feel comfortable inside. Alam mo that this will give you a very good ride quality. Clean, tech-focused dashboard. Look at that. Ito yung mga tipo ng dashboard na it takes you a while to absorb. Kita mo how everything is fit and finish. The materials na ginamit, it's all well put together. Yun talagang masasabi ko dyan. It feels like it's much more expensive than its price tag. Talagang mararamdaman mo na you are inside a modern lifestyle vehicle. Number 2, hybrid tech and performance. So, ibig sabihin po niyan, ano ba ang nagpapower dito? Well, this is a vehicle that uses a full hybrid system. It runs on electric power, may gasoline engine, and nagtutulungan sila to power the vehicle. No plugging in, no charging needed. It has the 1.5-liter engine, powerful electric motor, and dyan, a smart hybrid transmission. Basically, yung electric motor, dinideliver niya yung strong instant torque na alam naman natin na kayang-kayang i-deliver ng mga electric motors, yung mga EVs. Kaya yung acceleration niya smooth, responsive, while the engine is there to support kung kailangan siya. At ang mas nakaka-impress po dito is how all that system works at the background. Kasi automatic po siya nag-switch from electric-only driving, engine charging mode, full power hybrid mode. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip kung ano ba dapat kong gawin on the type of driving that I'm doing. Ina-adapt na po niya yan. Ibig sabihin po niyan, smooth driving in traffic, strong performance sa highway, expressway, and better overall efficiency. It's like technology working at its best for you. Number 3, fuel efficiency. Siyempre, yung daily savings, pag-uusapan po natin. It really matters big time. Well, itong sasakyan po na to, it delivers around 19 to 20 kilometers per liter. Average po yan. Napaka-excellent na po yung numbers na yan for an SUV na ganito ang size. It's a hybrid, so yung engine hindi siya masyado nagtatrabaho in traffic. Electric mode takes over sa lower speeds. And braking, of course, it recharges the battery, regenerative braking. Ibig sabihin po niyan, fewer ang fuel stops mo, lower running costs, and more savings for you in the long run. Number 4, smart tech. Well, yun nga, pagpasok mo sa loob, you immediately feel how advanced this SUV is. 12-inch infotainment system dito sa loob, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, hindi na po natin maitatanggi. It comes at a standard. Hinahanap na po yan ng mga car buyers ngayon, especially when you're talking about more than 1M price tag sa isang sasakyan. There's smart connectivity features and of course driver assist technology na i-enhance yung safety at convenience mo. Andyan po siya. May mga intelligent monitoring systems, assistance features for daily driving. Basically, to put it in simple terms, everything is designed to make your driving safer, easier, and I guess more enjoyable. Depende po sa driver yan, because if you are a driver like me that wants more feel, wants more connection to the vehicle, to the car, cars like this, they make that driving skill less of a need. It's an SUV that quietly takes you from point A to point B without any hassle. And that's okay. Kanya-kanya po tayo ng hinahanap sa sasakyan. But this one is just quiet and gives you a lot of convenience. At yun nga po, it just really feels premium without the premium price tag. Number 5, reliability and engineering confidence. Well, address po natin yan kasi napaka-importante po nung factor na to. The Territory Hybrid is built through Ford's global partnership with JMC. Ibig sabihin po niyan, Ford's engineering expertise is there. Proven large-scale manufacturing. With this partnership with JMC, it gives you this particular hybrid system designed for high efficiency, reduce engine stress, and long-term durability. Ang after-sales ng Ford, parts availability, it's well supported. As in, hindi po kayo mamumblema. And what I like about it, with the engineering from Ford and the hybrid system na kino-combine with this collaboration, the engine, it doesn't run all the time. And what I'm trying to say is, with this, there is fewer wear and tear na mangyayari sa sasakyan as you use it. Ini-extend dyan yung buhay ng mga key components na nandyan. So it's modern, it's also built for long-term ownership in mind. Number 6, tuloy ko po yung sinabi ko kanina, after sales, minsan kasi hindi po yan napapansin ng mga car buyers. Nakikita nila sa sasakyan, ang ganda, this and that. But you have to look at how it is after you buy it. Yung after sales support, you're buying the overall ownership experience. Napaka-importante po niyan. Kasi with Ford, established na yung kanilang dealer net, servicing network. Yung infrastructure na yan, andyan na po. Lengthy warranty coverage for peace of mind for you. Number 7, it's the ideal 5-seater for modern life. Ano po yung sabihin ko? Well, as a 5-seater, this SUV hits the important factor that you need to consider. Spacious for everyday use for your family. Compact enough for city driving. Di ba? Comfortable for long trips, of course. No charging needed. Running errands, traveling, and all that. Perfect fit for everyday life. And at this point, pag-usapan na natin magkano ba ang pricing ng all-new 2026 Ford Territory Hybrid. Pasyal na po kayo dito sa Ford Cainta. Andito po naka-display ang kanilang mga vehicles, not only the Ford Territory Hybrid. Along Ortigas Avenue Extension, madali lang pong makita. Pasyal na po kayo dito. Sa pagtatapos, so why is this SUV one of the best 5-seaters? Siguro yun ang magandang tanong. Well, eye-catching design, very modern. There is the smart hybrid efficiency, strong performance, reliable ang engineering, and solid ang after-sales support. It's a very practical, everyday SUV. And you want that SUV that would fit your lifestyle? This right here is a very good choice. Ito po ang 2026 Ford Territory Hybrid. If you found some value in this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe always, and I'll see you on the next one.